Good morning, departure Vision 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike. Takeoff power set and achieved.
Hey there, buddy. Hope you're doing well, and thank you so much for coming along on today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you a departure from Regional Airport in Gonzales, Louisiana on a cloudy day as we proceed through the clouds and make a sharp turn onto our flight plan route. We'll also discuss a pre-arrival checklist system that I use known as the N.A.R.T system. It's a pilot tip, and I hope you appreciate it. And finally, we'll show you our arrival into Tyler, Texas, and our landing at the Tyler Airport. If there are any subjects related to the SF50 Vision Jet you'd like covered on this channel, make sure you let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to do what I can for you. Thank you so much for coming along on today's video.
Regional traffic, Vision 379er, Juliet Mike, 2 miles to the south field, departing area through 600 feet. Regional traffic.
Very low clouds. Yeah. But we're above them now. Yep, just like that. That's pretty. That's cool looking.
Good morning, departure Vision 379er, Juliet Mike, 1.9 for 3000, runway heading off our regional.
With 379 Juliet Mike, Baton Rouge departure, or Baton Rouge approach, radar contact, IDA, and the altimeter's 3009.
30009er, 9 Juliet Mike.
Radar contact 3 miles south of Regional Airport, say altitude.
2.3, climbing to 3000.
9 Juliet Mike, copy that. You climb and maintain 10,000 and turn right, flight upon route.
All right, right turn LSU and up to 10,000, 9 Juliet Mike.
Reserve Mike Yankee, reduce speed at 2109.
Reduce at 2100, Mike Yankee.
It's a pretty day, man.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Keep this turn coming.
Reserve Mike Yankee, and the Baton Rouge Airport currently 2 o'clock and about 10 miles. You have the field in sight.
No, it looks like it's under a little small layer, thin layer.
Reserve Mike Yankee, roger that. And just turn right direct to Rundy and descend and maintain 1,700.
Yeah, it's going direct Rundy right now for 0 Mike Yankee, 1,700.
Baton Rouge approach, Cat 17 request upgrade.
Cat 17, roger, stand by.
Cat 17 echo.
And Cat 17,
Pretty dang.
Blockade approach,
Yeah.
363.0.
All right, everybody, back with you again. Got about 58 minutes of flight time remaining. This is the time of the flight where we do our pre-arrival preparation and briefings.
Romeo, 210,
Usually start those within an hour of the arrival time. This is a fairly low workload phase of flight, so it's a good time to do it. This is where we refer to the N.A.R.T items. N is for NOTAMS. We're going to check NOTAMS again and see if anything has changed since we departed. Then we're going to get airport information. We can get digital weather information through the system here, and as we get closer, we'll pick up the ATIS information. Next category is the R. R is basically runway environment information. We're going to get an understanding of the runway environment situation at our destination airport. Not only the characteristics in terms of its length and width, but also its condition, any lighting that might be available to us as well.
737, good day,
and then finally the T means taxi, brief our taxi, because once we know where we're going to land, we know what FBO we're going to, so we'll brief our taxi route, so there'll be no surprises with regard to that. And by briefing NOTAMS, we have an understanding about what taxiways may be closed at the arrival airport, so N.A.R.T helps us to prepare for our arrival accordingly. There's no arrival procedure into the Tyler Airport, so we don't have to worry about the or brief the arrival procedure. Look and roll the NOTAMS real quick. Don't see anything new. Runway 1836, their north-south runway, is still closed, so we will not be landing on 1836. So we've covered the NOTAMS. Let's look at airport information.
Memphis American 2553, level 310.
American 2553, Memphis arrival.
All right, so at 1853, so yeah, about 40 minutes ago or so, winds were variable at 3 knots, 10 miles visibility, clear skies, and 2989 is the local altimeter that's set in pre. So light wind conditions to be expected, but nothing that will help us determine our arrival runway yet, so we can't plan for that. But what we can do is move into the next category, and that is R for runway information. We have 2 runways that are available to us at Tyler Airport, runway 4 and 22. That's an 8,334 feet by 150 feet runway.
1288, contact
it is reported to have excellent conditions, concrete. Both runway 4 and runway 22 have PAPI lighting, or basically glide slope lighting, if you will, on the left side of each of those runways. That's good. Runway 1331, combination is 5,198 feet by 150. It is described as having fair asphalt conditions.
4838 Lima Romeo, contact.
There is no glide slope indicator,
2742,
such as PAPI lighting or VASI lighting for runway 13. Runway 31 has a VASI light on the left.
3312, how's it going, sir?
So those are the 2 runways that we have in mind. Weather's been favorable and light wind conditions in Tyler today, so
We'll be looking southwest 1288.
Shuttle 6161 traffic.
we would expect dry runway conditions for the field conditions.
Looking at Shuttle 6161.
And this is when we move into the R category for the T category for taxi instructions and taxi briefing. We're going to Johnson Aviation.
1288, contact forward center.
That's right at the approach end of runway 13.
3555 southwest 1288.
Again, runway 13 is 5,198 feet long by 150. The alternative, of course, is runway 22, which is 8,334 feet. Both runways have reasonable taxi routes to Johnson Aviation, so we'll figure that out as we get a little closer once we get the ATIS information. So that's how we use N.A.R.T as an acronym for our arrival and pre-arrival preparation and briefings. At least that's what I use as a technique anyway. Be landing with a little bit of tailwind.
500.
3 green, pressurization is good. We're fully configured. Clear to land. Land lights on. Just pinning y'all down.
Minimums.
Continuing. Thank you very much. Torpedo.
Nice landing.
9 Juliet Mike, make a 180 and back taxi, turn left on runway 31, remain on this frequency.
All right, 180, left on runway 31, and we'll stay with you. 9 Juliet Mike. Yeah, it's all good. So obviously this is an active runway, so we don't want to spend a bunch of time in the middle of the runway, because if somebody's coming in, obviously, without talking to the ATC, we got further to exit, right? So we want to pick a side, and since we're going that way, we'll taxi down this side of the runway.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new video content is posted. I can't thank you enough for supporting the channel with your questions, comments, and feedback, all of which are very much appreciated. If there are any subjects related to the SF50 Vision Jet you'd like covered on this channel, make sure you let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to do what I can for you. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you in the next video. I really appreciate you watching the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Also, click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new videos are posted. I can't thank you enough for taking the time to send your emails, comments, and feedback. My goal is to provide even better content for you as we continue to grow the channel. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.